Hello and thank you for watching as we take a look at the Ocelot Excel Golf Pro Golf Cart tire, the perfect upgrade for a smooth and confident ride on any terrain. This tire is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a versatile and high-quality option for their golf cart. With a convenient size of 18 by 8.5 by 8, this tire fits perfectly on Yamaha, Club Car, and E-Z-Go models equipped with standard 8 by 7 OEM wheels. Plus, it's an economical option when replacing your stock tires. The Ocelot Excel Golf Pro is built with a 4-ply construction with high-quality materials, which means it can handle whatever you throw at it, from rough terrain to everyday wear and tear. The 4-ply construction delivers impressive durability and reliability. With a max load capacity of 815 pounds at 22 psi, you can confidently carry passengers and gear. This tire also features a unique non-directional turf-style tread, which not only provides a smooth and comfortable ride, but it also minimizes impact on delicate surfaces like golf courses. Additionally, the turf-style tread delivers little to no road noise, so you can enjoy your ride in peace. And the 632-inch tread depth with multiple grooves ensures excellent water evacuation, keeping you in control in wet conditions. Overall, the Ocelot Excel Golf Pro Golf Cart tire is a great option as an OEM-style replacement tire for golfers and casual golf cart owners alike. It's durable, comfortable, quiet, and street legal. Plus, it comes in the popular size of 18 by 8.5 by 8, so it's compatible with a wide range of golf carts. If you're looking for a new set of tires for your golf cart, be sure to check out the Ocelot Excel Golf Pro. Thanks for watching and drive safe.